Okay, so it's TGIF guys. So I have a question here. So di ko magsabak kung sa mo ask a question. Na siya i-question, I ask na ako. Unsa man na siya, sir?
Ano masasabi mo sa issue nila Maris Tapal and Anthony Jennings?
Oh my gosh. What a scandal issue. Okay, ang masasabi ko kasi Tagalog yung tanong niya. Oh my gosh, I have my Tagalog skills. So, ang masasabi ko kay Maris at saka, anong pangalan ng lalaki? Anthony? I think, I do believe that couple, they have this, what we call nasty, dirty thing. And I do believe that it's normal for me. But it just happened that this issue, it's not a good in that certain aspect kay na publiko po yung issue nila. So, it's just like Maris is an actress, supposedly a model, a public figure. So, it's expected na hindi siya gagawa ng masama. I know we are not perfect, but I mean like as much as possible, aalagaan niya yung reputation niya. So I think the problem there is that the ex-girlfriend cannot accept the situation. So as a revenge, yun ang ginagawa niya, ini-expose. And again, I also experienced na inaagawan din ako. But it's okay. I think you should not to publicize that one. I think you need to accept that the person don't like you anymore. Kasi naranasan ko ding nag-iwan. So if the person will break you up or having this breakup, so accept it. I think that's it. So the ex possible hindi niya natanggap na hindi na sila sa lalaki. So, yeah. But again, we need to be very careful, especially if you're a public figure. But again, of what they are doing, I think it's normal for a couple. I think I said normal. It's just because that's part of life. Like, you know, if you want to, especially if you want to give and appreciate, you know, the expression of your love to your partner, I think that is one way that you are going to do it. So even myself, so I'm not perfect as well, but of course, say to it that we should keep it privately, those pictures and those messages. That's all. Thank you.